Our Earth is in danger. Population is increasing, resources are being consumed uncontrollably, and many times it is being wasted. And as a solution to this, we humans are not saving our current planet, but rather making a plan to colonize another planet by leaving it, in which the top name is Mars or our moon. But this should not happen. Because for humans, Titan is the moon of Saturn, which is many times more favorable than Mars, where when you reach, you don't have to worry about eating or drinking water. If any place in our solar system can closely replicate conditions like the Earth, then it is Titan. But friends, despite knowing all this, instead of guaranteed success, why are all the billionaires of the world willing to spend their money to inhabit Mars instead of guaranteed success? After all, why is Titan the best option to become Earth 2.0, and why isn't it being done? Well, in today's video, we are going to talk about it. Our solar system has more than 8 planets and over 293 moons. Mercury and Venus are too hot for habitability. Jupiter and Saturn lack solid surfaces. Mars and the Moon have weak gravity and thin atmospheres. Mars' atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's. Air leaks into space due to Mars' weak atmosphere. Mars' gravity is only 38% of Earth's. Terraforming Mars will still result in thin air. Solar radiation is a major issue. Earth's magnetic field protects us from harmful radiation. A dense atmosphere and magnetic field are crucial for habitability. Mars and the Moon lack both. And the answer to this question is the entry of Titan. Titan overcomes almost all the big shortcomings of our Moon or Mars and gives a better-to-live environment. And we can understand this by looking at the 4 factors of Titan. First of all, atmospheric pressure. Look, there are so many moons in the solar system, but Titan is the only moon that has a dense atmosphere. And despite this atmosphere, its atmospheric pressure is absolutely fine for sustainability. Now look, even though the atmospheric pressure of Titan varies at different heights, but if we talk about the surface of Titan, then the air pressure there is only 1.5 times more than that of the Earth. Which means that if you stay in such an environment for a few weeks, then your body can adapt to this pressure. How important is this air pressure? You can guess from the fact that the biggest reason for astronauts to wear spacesuits is to avoid the air pressure of the surrounding environment. Otherwise, if astronauts travel in extreme atmospheric pressure without a spacesuit, then their body can implode so quickly that their body will have died before sensing the pain. If the air pressure is very low opposite to this, then the fluids of our body can be boiled and freeze, which can cause the victim to suffer a very painful death. Now look, at both Mars and our Moon, atmospheric pressure cannot be tolerated without a spacesuit. But the atmospheric pressure of Titan is resistible for the human body, which means that humans can also roam around here without a spacesuit, and they will not need to permanently live in a dome-like structure. Now, the second reason is the protective nature of Titan. Look, if we live in Titan, we will not need to be afraid of the cosmic radiation of the sun. And we have 3 reasons for this. The first is that Titan is at a very far distance from our sun. Approximately 9.5 astronomical units are far away, due to which the sun's light reaches 100 times less from the Earth, and 100 times less sun rays means that the cosmic radiation reaches approximately the same, which makes the atmosphere of Titan comparatively less lethal. Second is the dense atmosphere of Titan. Titan's atmosphere is denser than the Earth, in terms of density, due to which the radiation that reaches its atmosphere does not reach the surface of Titan quickly, and lastly, its magnetosphere. Now look, Titan doesn't have its own magnetosphere, but it spends 95% of the time inside Saturn's magnetosphere, due to which all the cosmic radiation that comes up to it repels Saturn's ultra-powerful magnetosphere. Now the decision to stay on a planet's gravity affects it a lot. Imagine the benefit of living on such a planet where you can't even take your steps. And in this matter, Titan's gravity is very good, only 14% compared to Earth, due to which it will be more efficient to travel on the surface of the Earth. And lastly, there are a lot of energy sources present here. Look, even if there is not so much sunlight on the surface of Titan that solar panels can work there, but apart from the sun rays, there are a lot of energy resources present here, such as liquid methane, ethane and hydrocarbons. Now, if you don't know, Let me tell you that the majorly natural gases on Earth are made up of methane. And even if we ignore it, the presence of hydrocarbons in a large amount is not hidden from anyone. These are hydrocarbons, which act like building blocks for many fossil fuels and oils, about which we told you in detail in this video. Which means that to live here, we have to learn to synthesize the resources here and produce energy. And that's it. While living here, we will never have to think about energy. So friends, whatever we have told you so far, according to that, you must be feeling like a city of Titan fairies, where there is nothing left to do but to live. And the answer to this question is the entry of Titan. Titan overcomes almost all the big shortcomings of our Moon or Mars. 4 factors make Titan ideal. First, atmospheric pressure. Titan has a dense atmosphere. Its pressure is sustainable. Surface pressure is 1.5 times Earth's. Humans can adapt. Spacesuits protect from pressure. Extreme pressure can be fatal. Low pressure is also dangerous. Mars and Moon need spacesuits. Titan's pressure is tolerable. Humans can explore without spacesuits. No need for domes. Second, Titan's protective nature. No fear of cosmic radiation. 3 reasons for this. Titan is far from the Sun. 9.5 astronomical units away. Less sunlight, less radiation. Titan is in Saturn's magnetosphere. Saturn's magnetosphere repels radiation. Gravity affects living conditions. Titan's gravity is 14% of Earth's. Easier surface travel. Many energy sources. Solar panels may not work. Liquid methane and hydrocarbons. Methane is a major natural gas. Hydrocarbons are abundant. Hydrocarbons are energy sources. Learn to synthesize resources. No energy worries. Titan feels like a fairy city. Just live and enjoy. Titan's cold temperature and distance pose challenges. Unmanned missions are essential for habitability. Because of which, despite being a better option and guaranteed success, everyone is thinking of making Mars and our Moon habitable instead of Titan, and he is aiming for terraformation. According to now, NASA will launch a spacecraft named Dragonfly for Titan in 2027, which will land in Titan in 2034 after 7 years. But what will happen in the next 3 to 4 years, time will tell. However, according to you, which is the best place to live among Mars, Moon and Titan? Write to us in the comment section below. In my opinion, the Earth is the best. Tell your opinion in the comments below. If you like the video, then like the video and share it with your friends. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next episode. Till then, bye.